Okay, here we have our Afeco paddle mixer, stock number 4862. I'll show you some of the features of the unit. Here's the control panel. It's got mix, which is timed, the reverse mix, and it's got unload. You can unload out of one door or both. Here's the air valves that control the discharge doors. And then we have a safety grate on top with a safety switch, and also there's a safety switch under the back panel, so that if you open up the door there, you won't be able to run the machine either. So we'll go ahead and start this up, let you see it run. On the mix cycle, there is a timer on it. It'll run about 10 seconds and then it'll shut off. Okay, it just timed out. Now we'll go ahead and reverse mix. See it running the other way. Okay, you can go ahead and shut it off. It's all ready to go. Give us a call at 765-659-3794.